I start this unboxing video, but I haven't had time. So let's get into it. I have inventory from Candlescience, and back here is some Amazon packages, and I think I have a box from Flaming Candle that's downstairs, and it's just some 4-ounce candle containers. Alright, so let's see. Bear with me. I'm still trying to figure out this whole setup with my ring light, etc. We'll get it together. So these are the lids that I have for the 4-ounce candle jars. I have a lot of candles that I need to make. And you know what? I probably should put this box on the floor. And I'm probably not going to edit this video, so it's heavy. So I got 4 of the gold twist socks. So I'm getting ready for, maybe I should turn this music down some. That's good enough. I'm getting ready for events that are coming up in a couple weeks, as well as some wholesale orders and my regular restock on my website. All right, I also have my wicks, and I bought wick tags so that when I clip these, I can put them inside the little tags and reuse them, because we're not trying to waste anything around here. I'm just not. They are expensive, and they run out of wicks a lot, so I'd rather just be able to reuse the pieces that I cut off. There's packing peanuts everywhere. I don't want to have to clean that up. These are the 4-ounce jars that I'm either going to do as a sample set for my site, so people can try out my candles, and they'll be for my wholesale orders. So there are 2 boxes of those. And I have a lot. Oh, don't mind me. I have a lot of fragrance oils that I just had to restock up on. Some I was already using, some are new, because I'm going to be doing the boho reusable, what are they, the car diffusers, the air fresheners that you can hang on your mirror. Some will come with crystals, some won't. So I have some amethyst crystals, rose quartz, citrine, and 2 other ones, and I can't remember. That'll be in the car diffusers. But you'll also have an option to not get the crystals if you don't want to have crystals. Okay. Been waiting to get all my packages in, and honestly, I don't remember everything that I'm supposed to have. So I'll be saying what I got as much as you will. I think these are my essential oils that I have for the soaps. So I do soaps as well as candles and wax melts. It costs car diffusers. Yeah, so it's just grapefruit. It goes in my tightening tone soap as well as face soaps. Let's see. This is probably label paper. So how was your day today? Mine usually consists of me options trading in the beginning of the day and towards the end of when the market is closing, and I did good last week. Today was not a great day. I got into the wrong contract. But anyway. So yeah, this is easy. I'm going to be making my own stickers because waiting for stickers to come in the mail and paying for it, no. It's more time consuming when I do it myself. But once it's done, all I have to do is just reprint it each time I need it, and I don't have to wait in the mail, because a lot of times I forget when I'm low on things, and then I'm sitting here looking like, oh shit. Can I say that on YouTube? I don't know. Oh. Oh, once I get my YouTube channel up, my followers up, I'll be doing a giveaway. I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to be doing, but I'll put it in the description too. I'll be doing a giveaway on my IG page. I just got to 1,000 followers on there. So right now it's going to be wet smells that I'm giving away, and probably soaps. I haven't exactly decided yet, but we shall see. So if you're not following me on IG, follow me on IG. It's TKO Total Knockout Candles Bath Body, but I'll have it in the description of this video because it's long. So I have some more essential oils. Which one is this one? I don't know. That's it. It is lemon. Another one that I use in my tightening tone soap bar and some of my face soaps. So 2 face soaps that I carry right now. One is called Glow, and it has turmeric and pink French clay in it. And then I have a Fuller's, I hope I'm saying that right, Earth Powder Soap, which is great for the skin. Both, the details are on my site, but it helps with acne, dry skin, dull skin. It gives your face a glow, helps with removing dark spots, things like that. I'm drawing a blank of the other things that both soaps do, but it's on my site. So let's see what else we got. Oh, so the thing I'm most excited about is the car diffusers, the car air fresheners that you can reuse. So I'll be selling these, and I'll also be selling the refillable oil that you can put in here yourself once it evaporates, or whatever you want to call it. if I can open this package, I'll show you what it looks like. This is amazing, the things that I can do. And I'm a very intelligent woman. But when it comes to simple stuff, like opening a package, the struggle is real sometimes. Okay, here we go. Living its hardest life right now. It's a school, it's an office, see? It's a 24-hour diner. So I need a cleaner that can keep up with our mess. Mr. Clean multi-purpose liquid cleaners cut through 100% of dirt, grease, and grime, and leave behind a clean, fresh scent. Yes, however you want to tie it, and you can hang it up in your car on the what's that thing called? Is that called the rearview mirror? I think that's what it's called. Or you can hang it in a bathroom. I say a small area, so like your car, a bathroom. If you have a small closet, if you want to hang it in there, you can do that as well. But these are the cutest little things ever. I can't wait to fill them up.
It's a physical break from the kids. Yes, finally some alone time. Give your bank account a break.
All right. Oh, and then it has a little stopper here. Oh, you probably can't see that, but that little stopper goes in there. And when it's time to use it, I'll have the instructions on the side as well. You just remove that stopper. You'll turn this upside down. Let the oil get into the wood piece. And then you'll get to have all of that smell good fragrance in your car. I suppose that makes up so I don't use that little stopper thing. So yeah, this is a box of those. Tea tree oil, just another essential oil that I needed. Sitting upstairs in my room at my little desk instead of being in the other room where I should have been, but we're gonna make this work. Okay, this is another essential oil, and maybe it is me, but okay. I was about to say I don't see the name of it, and of course, it's on the box. So this is sweet orange that's in this one. This is just what is it? The thermal paper for my label printer. I ran out. I just needed some more. And what is this? Lemongrass essential oil. Okay. So I need firm. So we're gonna put some of this stuff back in here. Because I'm trying to go through all these lists to get to the part I really want to get to, which is fragrance oils. All right. So, in the middle of me filming, this dang on iPhone was like, I didn't have enough storage, wants me to pay for more storage, blah, blah, blah. So, anyway, let's take care of that real quick. Hopefully, there's room now. And get back to this unboxing. Oh, okay. So I forgot that I ordered two. I forgot that I ordered these. I needed some dried flowers for mainly I got them for the car diffusers, but I'll use them for other things as well. These are options in case some people do not want the crystals, but so I have rosebuds. Oh, okay. I was wondering what these were when I saw them. Lily flower. I am not even going to attempt to say this. lavender, purple gumbrina, another one, jasmine flower, red of that other flower that I just butchered the name of, rose petals, and forget-me-nots. Those are pretty purple, bluish color, but it's more on the purple side. They're pretty. Okay, so those are all the boxes for right now. Now we're going to get into what fragrance oils I have. So they are a mixture. Some I blend, some I don't, to make my own scents. They'll be used for the candles, the wax melts, the car diffusers, my soaps, body oils, body butters, bath salts, you name it, they go into something if it has a scent. So, you'll see, these are from the Flavoring Candle. I probably have about 15, maybe, fragrance oils that I just ordered. Not counting the ones that I have in the work area. I will probably do a walkthrough of the area, my work area. That's another video. So now, my favorite fragrance oils are from Wood & Wick, Candlescience, and then the Flaming Candle is last. They always say you get what you pay for, and that's true. But the Wood & Wick is super duper expensive. The main appeal about them is that the fragrance oils are really good. I'm not even going to lie. And you get free shipping over $99, I think. Candlescience, I think, has the best smelling scents for the prices. For that prices, what I don't like about Candlescience is the fact they give you only one fragrance oil. If you spend, it's either $25 or $30. So no matter how much you spend after that initial minimum requirement to get a free bottle of fragrance oil, this is pineapple sage, you only get one. So if it's cost effective as far as your shipping, and their shipping, oh my goodness, you don't get free shipping with them. Back to what I was saying. If you are ordering from them and you pay for shipping anyway, here's a tip. If it doesn't cost you a lot to break it down in multiple orders, you can get more of these things, because you spend all the money anyway. They should definitely give you like one every 50 bucks you spend, or I don't know, something, but more than one. Flaming Candle, I get my things like if I need some melt and pour soap. Now I make whole processed soap as well, but sometimes I need melt and pour soap. My wax, the soy wax, not my coconut apricot wax. Soy wax, I can pick it up from them, save a ton of money on shipping costs, because with traffic, it takes me about an hour to get to them. So it's worth it to me, especially when I'm doing a bulk order like I've done recently. So now, let's see. And we're about to sniff and all that jazz. Fragrance oils. So pineapple sage is one I want to try because I'm thinking about having it in a lineup for candles. I kind of want to go like a spa relaxation route. That smells good. You want some? I actually like that. I have a pineapple kiwi from Wick. That smells good, but I really like this. I'm always looking for cheaper alternatives. So when Candlescience actually has a fragrance oil that is around the similar notes of something that I have from Wick, I'll go with them. If it's like a $20 difference or something like that. If it's a small difference, I'll keep what I have. But so black amber and plum. I've smelled this before. It smells amazing. I love it. Okay, so lavender driftwood is a new one that I wanted to try out. And I know I got a big bottle, but lavender is really popular, and I like the notes that they had with the driftwood portion. I had I really like this. I had a lavender one from Wick. It's lavender. I didn't want to keep paying all that money from them, so I wanted to try this one from Candlescience. I had Candlescience lavender and white sage, I think. I wasn't a huge fan of that, so this is why I decided to try this one. It's like I closed the blinds to try to keep that light. You just have to work with it. So lavender driftwood, that smells really good. I'm excited to smell this one. This is bamboo and coconut. It smells good. It's interesting. I am normally not a coconut person. I don't like the scent. I don't like the taste. None of it. But this is good. I'm not sure if I quite get bamboo, but the combination in here is actually not too shabby. I'm shocked. So this is just patchouli. So I can blend for men's soap and my men's body oils. I like to use that. It's strong. And so it definitely has to be blended, in my opinion. Like straight up out the bottle into something. No, that just doesn't work for me. So, oh, pink sugar crystals. This one, I'm gonna have to see how I like this once I put it into something, because out the bottle, it's giving me like alcohol-y vibes. I'm like rubbing alcohol vibes. We'll see how it smells when I'm putting it into something. I'll probably mix it. Like there's a sweet note there. Something there that I actually like. But that rubber alcohol scent is really strong. So we have to see how this plays out. And then I'll probably mix it. Ocean Road. Huh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I only got 5. Yeah, I only got 5 scents from fragrance oils from Candlescience. I I thought I bought more because I guess not. I guess not from them. This is really mild, but it's nice. Like, so if you're looking for something that is not too strong, some people don't like really hit you in the face type of sense. This one is a good one. It's really mild. I know I keep sniffing it. It does give me water vibes, ocean, mild ocean vibes. It's ocean rose. Like, it's not salty or anything like that, but it's pretty good. So I like that. I just have to try it out because I wanted to use this in one of my car diffusers. It has to be strong enough for that, but I didn't want it to be overpowering where you get in your car and you like, who emptied out a whole bottle of perfume and then it's funky. So that's not what we're going for. All right, 1, 2, what is this? Who are they again? Flaming Candle. I was about to call them the Flaming Science. Combining Candlescience and Flaming Candles together. It's been a day. All right, so I have Fruity Pebbles and Fruit Loops. Let's see how it smells. I'm sorry, my facial expressions is just okay. I don't know about this one. People seem to like this scent. I'm really glad I got a small bottle. We'll see how that plays out. That was the Fruity Pebbles one. This is Fruit Loops. But just because I'm not a huge fan of it at the moment, I still need to mix it. Doesn't mean my customers won't like it. So you gotta remember, when you're making things, it's not all about like the scents you like, because not everyone likes the same things. For example, what is it? Love Spell. I have customers who love that scent. And soap and body butters, oils, whatever you call it. Don't tell nobody. But I don't like it. I do not like that fragrance oil. I don't know. It gives me, I'm not even gonna tell you the vibes it gives me, but I don't. It's not my cup of tea. But I'm gonna make it because my customers like it. So you like it, I love it. You feel me? Okay, this one is okay. All right. Fruit Loops, much better than Fruity Pebbles. This is gonna be the actual cereal Fruit Loops vibes, and I think this is the one that stays sold out all the time. Now let's see why. Fruity Pebbles, that thing doesn't sell out. I should have told me something right then and there. But it's all good. We're gonna make it work. Yeah, I'm smelling it again. It's like, it's not bad, but it's not what I was expecting when it's sunlight. It's not what I was expecting when I thought of Fruity Pebbles. It's just not. Okay. This is just reed diffuser base. Now, Flaming Candle also gives you one, This is my free sample. One free sample, just like the Candlescience, is better about Candlescience with their free fragrance sample. They let you pick. You get random from Flaming Candle. So hopefully, they will look at what you ordered and try to give you a fragrance sample that's along the lines of what you have in your order. But I'm not really sure how they pick. So Harvest Gathering is not what I purchased, but something that, no. I'm gonna have to figure something out with this, but I think it's enough for me. Yeah, no. Sorry, Flaming Candle. You should really let people pick what fragrance samples they want. Clean Air, I think, was another sample of mine that they gave me. And I'm not mad at that because, so I did 2 orders with them. This was in one of my orders. This was in the second order and kind of goes along the other fragrances that I asked for. Oh, I like Clean Air. I like that. That was good. Okay, so mahogany teakwood. My hair looks crazy. I know. Hey, my shirt. Hakuna Matata. Okay, mahogany teakwood, not bad. It smells like a lighter version of a straight up just teakwood fragrance oil, and I got it to blend it with my own fragrant oil combo, so I'm not mad at that. Okay, I'm like, wait, I didn't order this. I did pick up 3 new masculine scents for my men. Ooh, I like that. Polo Red. This is Cool Water. So these are, I think, what do they call them? Mops of the men's cologne. So Polo, I think one of these is Chanel, but don't quote me. That's good. I don't really like to smell it because at first I couldn't smell it. Don't mind me. Ooh, wait. I think I like that. At first I was like, wait, this is giving me like granddaddy cologne vibes. This is blue. This might be the Chanel one, but I don't remember. It's good. Oh, it's my jam. All right, so we are towards the end of this video. 3 fragrance rolls left. Good newborn. Fresh Outdoors, Honolulu Sun. I don't know if you can. Yeah. Black Ice. So leave the door open. I'ma leave the door open. Okay, so now I remember. I was thinking to myself, why do I only have X amount from Candlescience? That's because they were not for the Cardi users. So, black ice. This is good. So, this is the black ice one. It is, if you've smelt, what is it? Black sea salt, I think it's called, from Candlescience. This is a much milder version of it. It depends on prices. The cost of it will determine which one I'll continue to buy. The black sea salt, or what is it? The black ice. I like that. It's mild. It's mild, so it won't be all extra punch you in the face fragrant. Alright, fresh outdoors. I wanted something that made me feel like I was outside, but not like fresh cut grass outside, if that makes sense. It might not. Oh, I like that. I like that. This blend, when I mix it, this might be the one that goes in my car. All right, Honolulu Sun. That's good. That's better than I expected. I'm not mad at that. All right. So that is it for my unboxing video. For what I'm unboxing on camera, which is basically almost everything. If you made it this far, kudos to you and thank you. If you want to see more videos, I'll be posting, soap making videos, candles, sometimes some business tips, how I make my labels, etc. going forward. So hit that subscribe button wherever it is, down here, up there. I'm not that fancy with YouTube yet like everybody else that be like, hit that subscribe button now. I'll get there. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Bye.